Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brianna, also known as B Taylor Beauty, here on YouTube and on my other social media platforms. And yes, if you are new, make sure you are subscribed to be a part of the family, and make sure you hit the bell button down there so you can know when I upload a video. Alright, and to all my returning subscribers, I want to say hi, thank you for coming back. And today, this video, we did this look here, and this look did a complete 360 from what I wanted to do. I originally wanted to do a look inspired by, I'll put a picture up here somewhere because it's not going to focus when I show you, but it was this, like, I guess, I don't know, look here. And yeah, I was trying to do something like that, but we came up with this, and I think I like this better. I don't know, I kind of did something like this last year, not around this time, but like December-ish, with when the Huda Beauty palette came out. I kind of used like these same kind of colors in the pigment here. It kind of gives me that vibe, but it's with a more affordable palette. So for this, I used the Saharan 2 Juvia's Paste palette, and I used the NYX Ultimate Shadow palette. So it's more affordable. And yeah, this is a Valentine's Day look. I don't know if I'm going to be doing a lot of those. I'll probably do 3. So this is more of the dramatic, for the dramatic girlies out there. I know some of us like to, you know, go overboard. We don't care what our dates think, or if you taking yourself out, like, we want to be dramatic. So this is for you guys. I'm going to do a more natural-ish look, and then I'll do like a drugstore look, you know, for everybody that's on the budget. So if you'd like to see how I achieve this look, keep on watching. Alright guys, so we're going to get started with the eyes, and we're just going to basically focus on the eyes because I'll have my full face routine up, and then you guys could go and watch that and do the face. But the main focus for this tutorial is going to be the eyes. I'm just going to use some regular powder and just set my brow bone area. And if you have problems with the red, which I usually do, that's why I never do like red eyes, because my red never comes out looking like the color red. It usually comes out looking like the color pink. I'm going to actually use a liquid lipstick, and this is ROOCH by COLOURPOP, and this is the Karuchi collection. So I'm just going to use this as a base. I'm going to take a fluffy brush, and this is a Royal and Langnickel eyeshadow brush, and that is going to be my base. So I'm going to put this down like this. It looks weird, but I'm just going to do that. And I'm just going to, what I'm doing is, this is my palette. I'm just dabbing off the excess so I can begin to like, so I can begin to blend. And you have to remember, this is liquid lipstick, so this is going to stain your eyes. Phoebe. This is going to stain your eyes, so make sure you do this before you do your foundation and everything, because you're going to want to be able to wipe away little mistakes. Okay. And we're going to stop it right there. I'm going to get a brush that's able to fit in my crease. Something like this. This is a no-name brush. I'm just going to use this to blend out those edges. It looks crazy, but I promise you it'll all come together. Okay, I'm gonna go into this little pink color right here. You can't really see like that. There we go. And it's like a hot pink, and I'm going to use this to blend out the crease. Oh, I'm sorry, and this is a Morphe E27. And I'm just being real messy with it. I promise it gets worse before it gets better. But I want this to be, this is like a real dramatic look, okay? So I have that, right? So now what I'm gonna do is take like a slimmer blending brush, and I have this one, and this is this Jessup blending brush. It doesn't have a number or anything, but it's by the brand Jessup. And originally I was basing this look off of this like red color right here, but I don't even think it's like red enough. I'm gonna try it. Yeah, like it's not red enough. And I want you guys to see this, because like, yeah, it's not really red enough. So I'll figure that out later, but we're gonna continue like building up this eye. So I'm gonna take this Saharan 2 palette by Juvia's Place, and this is pretty new to me, and I'm gonna go into this color Sarah right here. It's a dark burgundy, and I'm going to intensify the crease with that. And I might need something a little bit darker. Now I'm taking the E27 with nothing on it and just blending that out. And make sure you're moving your brush in like circular motions too, because that also helps blending. And you know what? I'm gonna clean up my eyes as I go, because I don't want any I don't want any staining. And this look is literally just like all about stacking colors. That's why this is the more intense look, because this is like if you have the patience to stack colors and build intensity. But I will be doing a more simple look, but I just wanted to do this one really bad because I don't know, it was cute. Now I'm gonna take an even deeper color and continue to build. So I'm gonna switch out this brush and I'm gonna find an even slimmer brush. I'm gonna go in with this brush. It's really small and detailed, and this is a Morphe M562, and I'm gonna go into the JACLYN Hill palette. And oh, I don't have the card. I'm gonna go into this. I think am I gonna go in this color? Yeah, I think I'm gonna mix these two colors. Well, first I'm gonna try the one on the top. And I'm just gonna deepen this up. And it gets like right in there. You see that? And I'm going to keep the previous brush that I used for the previous color. Keep that close by now. Now I'm just going to blend. It's really like, these type of looks really aren't hard. You just have to have the patience to go back and forth, back and forth. That's it. Once you have the patience to go back and forth, it's honestly super easy. Alright, so we're going to cut the crease. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut the crease. I got this little brush. And I'm going to use my MAC Studio Finish concealer. Alright, so I did everything. I'm going to go to the bottom lash line now. So you're going to need a black eyeliner pencil, and we're going to smoke out down here. So you're going to line your waterline and bring it onto your lash line as well. Do it as heavy as you can. And we're going to take a shader brush. I'm going to take this one to blend it out. Like, it's heavy. This is dramatic. of course. Okay. Okay. So this is just the liner. You can keep it like this, of course. It looks cute, but I like to tie in the colors that we used. So I'm gonna take the burgundy color from the Juvia's Place palette, and I'm gonna take this brush. This is from Urban Decay palette. I'm gonna take this side and just add it down there. And I'm just like cupping it right there at the edge of that black. Like literally right there, and then I'm bringing it out to the outer V right here. Okay, so it looks like that. Okay, so it looks like that. And then if you want to intensify it at the outer corner, you can add some, this is just some dark brown from this palette that I'm using as a mirror. The Tartelette and Bloom palette, I'm using that color right there. I'm just intensifying the outer part. You don't have to if you don't want to, but just to bring this part together, I'm doing that. And just on the outer V area. Okay. And the eyes are complete. The face is complete. I'm just going to go ahead and do my lips. And we all know I love nude lip. I picked up some nude lippies from Milani and L'Oreal. I think I really want to use the L'Oreal one and maybe use one of these as a topper. I don't know. But I am going to line my lips with just a regular brown.